Kuringana na munini wa president Rigathi GACHAGUA, makiria ma arimi 800 shaini maiganirite na mogaruruku maria magathikitwo sekta-ini ino ne thirikari na makiria kuri iganda iria iramatagwo ni KTDA. Rigathi arauga ona gutuika ni kuri na mirurungano iratabanio ni arimi magititia bonathi cia thi, arugamiriri anene nio mabatie gukuithio murigo uyu.
Where we have challenges and you have seen many demonstrations, again those demonstrations are part of the reforms that we have made of educating the farmer. Right. It is where the tea directors have increased the cost of production. They are having too many travels, they are having too many allowances, so the cost of production is eating on the profit of the tea farmer. Again, because of these reforms that we have done in the tea sector, farmers are aware.
GACHAGUA athiete na mbere kuuga ukinyanĩria wa mogaruruku maya uri na nditi, kuona arugamĩrĩri hau kabere ni mahandire macira igoti-ini, no akauga ni ahotete guteithĩrĩria hari kweheria mamwe ma macira maya.
There were a big problem because of the Tea Act that was brought by Senator Cheriot that could not be implemented because various stakeholders had gone to court. Through my intervention, I have successfully negotiated all those cases to be dropped. Now the Tea Act will be implemented to the letter and coffee farmers will get return on investment.
Mwena-ini wa KAHUA Rigathi augite mwihoko munene uri he mendekithia mawatho wa mwaka muthiru wa KAHUA na watho wa kuramata thathaiti maria mari bunge-ini na wona mahituka sekta ino ni kwarahuka indi augite murimi ni agunikite kuona hari o kilo ya KAHUA aragurirwo na ciringi 100.
You see a lot of demonstrations. It has nothing to do with the pricing. It has a lot to do with the mismanagement of coffee farmers' earnings by wrong officials. The Cooperative Bill of 2023 will address that. And that is why people must know. I've seen some politicians trying to attack me about coffee. Where they come from, they don't even have coffee. They don't understand coffee. I was educated with coffee proceeds myself. And I know once this bill becomes law, and I'll assist in the implementation of that law, farmers will be very happy. But I want to tell people, the fact that I was overseeing coffee reforms did not make me the CS for agriculture for cooperative development.
Girifotera Kameme TV, Retorekoni Mwaura, Wadongo.